Assalamu alaikum. Here are the expected key answer for language second of Karnataka TET. The first passage is given, and regarding the passage, the questions are here. 31st number question is: a peculiar task was offered to Ranga when he was sitting near the market fountain. That was the correct option is second one. To get into the well and bring out the brass pot. 32 number question. The first condition of Ranga for the job offer was the fourth one is correct. He wanted to see the well first. 33 number question. The money Ranga expected for his job was the first one is correct, not less than 2 rupees. 34th number question. The thing which offered to silence Ranga. Second number, a bidi to smoke. 35th number, Ranga tried to excuse himself to do this job because third number is correct. He had never gone down to a well before. 36 number question. He never thought that his offer would be accepted. The correct opposite of the underlined word is rejected. The fourth one is correct. 37 number question. Ranga wanted dash dash work for dash dash rupees. Here is work. We make it infinity means 2, and that is adjective of number 2. So 2 and 2. The second option is correct. 38 number. Ranga became faltered dash dash he was offered money and ability. Choose the suitable word. Connecting word is first one is correct, when he was offered money and bidi. Here is the poem, and regarding the poems, the questions are given below. The 39 number question is: what was the question the speaker asked to mother when they grew old in the initial line? The fourth one is correct. Why did you name us a Nile? What was the name given to me by the mother? The 40th question is Blue Nile. 41st question is: how do rivers reach Khartoum as described in the poem? Third one is correct. Crossing mountain, forest and valleys. 42 number question. When river confluence, it is giving a beautiful message to humanity, that is confluence your heart and blossom with happiness. Second is correct. 43 number question. The blue and white Nile travel thousands of miles carrying a. The fourth one is correct. Message. Is carrying a message. 44th. God has commanded you to give a message. The figure of speech sentence. यहाँ पे देखिए गॉड ने कमांड किया है रिवर को, यू यानी यहाँ पे रिवर है कि मैसेज देने के लिए, ये क्या है, रिवर को जानदार बनाया जा रहा है, गिविंग living qualities to the river, means it is personification. Read the poem and choose the correct rhyme. Is rhyme Lee, children, that is different level. All four lines are different, so A, B, C, D. The fourth one is correct. 46. Choose the correct form of verb form of the sentence. The window was open and the bird, here is past helping verb. So we must use past verb. That is fly present. Fly is all present. It is a third form past participle. So third one is correct. Flew. Choose the appropriate superlative degree for the given sentence. Very few kings were as great as Ashoka. So third number is correct. Here Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. Read the given sentence and identify the suitable reported speech. That in that question. Can I help you with your homework? Said my mother. It is yes or no question. We must use whether or if. Can change as could. So the fourth one is correct. My mother asked me whether she could help me with my homework. We must change the question into a statement. Choose the correct combined sentence. There was heavy traffic. I could not reach the office in time. Uh, Second one is correct. In spite of heavy traffic, I did not reach the office in time. 50th question. Identify the suitable voice of the given sentence. Mona completed the sum. The sum was completed by Mona. The second one is correct. The long form of NCTE, that is National Council for Teachers Education. And last question is the second term, not a last question. 52nd question is the second term of all teachers in general and right hand, that is second one, a piece of chalk. 53, the approach which is emphasis the more use of target language and there is hardly scope to use mother tongue of the pupils as the structure of English language cannot be translated into mother tongue is known as, that is communicative communicative approach. Receptive vocabulary, a word we use while speaking and listening and reading. The second one is correct. Recognizing words while listening and reading. The receptive skills are listening and reading, and descriptive skills are writing and speaking. 55th, the change in the form of word or word as a grammatical aspect. Word or word as a grammatical aspect. Syntax says about construction of sentence. Concord, it is about the parts of the speech in the sentence. Semantics tells about the meanings, and inflections, it is the right answers. The statement was describe the knowledge, skill, attitude which a student should acquire by the end of particular class or a course is learning outcome. A teacher divides the classroom into a small group and tasks them to discuss and present their views on conservation of water. The students are free to present their view in the form of written description, role play, verbal presentation, etc. The teacher facilitates as and when required. This approach is known as, that is not natural approach, structural approach, and constructive approach. The fourth one is correct. The study of articulation, transmission, and reception. It tells about phonetics, sounds. Phonetic is correct answer. 59. The teacher first present an object book. The teacher hold a book in his hand and shows it to the whole class and says, book, this is your book, my book is red, your book is blue. This is an example of word method because teacher is focusing on a particular word book to teach the students. So this is the word method. Last one is the assessment is made along with the teaching of a lesson throughout the academic year, which includes oral tests, co-curricular activities, that is formative assessment. Thank you.